We have very little information about what's going on in the dark floors of thousands of meters deep oceans. But there is a place that is the deepest point of our world and is full of strange stories and unimaginable creatures. Get ready for the journey before we get to the strangeness of the Mariana Trench. Let's learn a little about it. In 1951, scientists on a research ship were sailing in the ocean. When they released a rope used to measure depth into the hole they discovered, they were shocked. The rope was descending as it went deeper. There was no such information in the record. The rope advanced for kilometers in the depths, and in the studies of other teams, it was understood that this is the deepest point in the world and has a depth of 11 kilometers. Even on the ocean floors, only a very few bacteria and creatures can survive. While the freezing cold oxygen-free environment makes it difficult to live at extreme depths. But scientists were shocked when they got the first records at 11,000 meters deep, because there was an incredibly rich life per square centimeter at such a depth. A weight of 1,100 kilos is put on you. So imagine that 11,000 people weighing more than 100 kilos are on you. Here are the creatures that live under this weight. The pressure is strong enough to easily flatten the human body. This is the razor-sharp fish you see. Just one of the ones you may encounter while descending into the Mariana pit is the light like a lantern in front of you. It hunts by bringing other fishes closer to itself with its emitting organ, and this means that the ghost shark, which has 300 teeth, can be encountered in different regions from zero light to freezing temperatures. The Mariana pit is literally a pitch dark. While scientists were waiting for a freezing cold in the deepest parts of the pit, they made an interesting discovery. The Mariana Trench was formed when the Pacific and Philippine plates collided as a result of plate movements, when the Pacific plate was subducted under the Philippine plate. Both these plates are moving northwestward, but Philippine, as the Pacific plate is moving faster than the Philippine plate. It creates a constant pressure by entering under the plate, and this pressure causes frequent earthquakes in the region. Located in the Pacific Ocean between Japan and Indonesia and known as the deepest point in the world, the Mariana Trench still has many unsolved mysteries. According to the latest measurements, the deepest point is 11,000 meters, the length of the pit is 2.5 kilometers, and its width is 69 kilometers. In 2014, scientists conducting research in the depths of the pit recorded interesting sounds and could not figure out the reason. Researchers at Oregon State University, who have been continuing their research on the recording in question for 2 years, explained in an article they published what caused the sound. According to this article, the sound belongs to the gigantic whale or whales of the Mysticeti, known as the toothless whale. What makes the Mariana Trench mysterious and frightening is that monster whales the size of a building are thought to live in the depths.